Hey, hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This reflects image. It's been a while. Just the first time visiting. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also turn on the notification icon. If you have any question, you can contact me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to actually create this snoot effects of numbers. So we tend to use it mostly probably when you actually want to declare someone's age in the picture and we don't want to use the helium balloons. Probably you want to actually do something special, something different from the other techniques you've been using so far. You'll be using helium balloon or actually looking for number 16. You can actually do that in the post processing by making use of snoot effect. So it's simple, but if you're it's simple because I actually know a little, I know some things about it. But to people that were as in there people that have actually did not do something like this before, it might be kind of hard. So I'll be showing you how I actually achieve mine and make sure you guys also know how to actually do it yourself. So the first thing you actually need to do to make sure you rasterize all your layers together. Don't worry about this layer. This is just a sample layer over here. This is a sample layer. So let me delete it. So here is what your picture is going to look like. The next thing you need to do is to go to your text tool by clicking on the text tool over here, or you just click on T on your keyboard. So click on it, click on the text tool, then come to where the picture is, then click on it. So now I'm going to type my 16, 1 and 6. You can see, I'll click on my OK. So after I'm done with that, I'll Control T on it and I'm going to expand it till I see fit. I'll expand it. It's giving me what I actually want. I think around this way is okay, but I can still increase it a little bit. I can still increase it. I think around this way is kind of okay for me right now. So once I'm done with that, next thing I just need to do to click on my OK. So I'll leave it this way first. So after I'm done with that, next thing I'll be doing is you will notice that the 16 there is not that thick enough, and this is one of the boldest fonts. I'm using Area, so let's use Area Black and see. Okay, I think this is kind of bold right now. This is bold. This is bold. This is enough for us to actually make use of right now. So once you're done with this right now, all you just need to do to hold down your Control key and click on it on the layer over here. So once you're done with that, you can just off this right now and switch it off. Then invert the selection by clicking on Ctrl Shift and I, click on invert. Then go to adjustment layer, click on solid color and make sure you actually loaded it 100% black. Click on your OK. Once you're done with that, all you just need to do is to go to the opacity, bring down the opacity a little bit, bring it down, bring it down. I think around 48 is okay. Click on your OK. But the edges is looking all that sharp and it's not looking that realistic enough to me. So what I just need to do right now, I'll click on the max. So the property bar is going to load up for me like this. Then I'll go to the feather and I'll start increasing the feather. So I think 41 is okay. So it's going to blend in. It won't have sharp edge. It's going to blend in with the entire picture all together. So I think the opacity is too much. I'll still come back to the opacity down here. Bring it down and bring it down. And boom. Here is the before and here is the after of what we just achieved. So now anybody seeing this picture right now will be able to tell you, yes, this person is celebrating, though she's not 16 years old. So I just see this as an example because that's what she actually wants on the picture. So there will know, yes, we are trying to declare certain age in the picture, which is actually looking nice, looking pink. So if this video helps, please do drop a like and subscribe and share with a friend. Someone out there might be in need of it. So if you're interested in getting my picture editing files, they're available for sale on my store. Just go and purchase them there and join me on Telegram to actually gain access to free files, which I actually upload there from time to time. See you guys on my next tutorial. Reflex out.